terrible out there. Hottest beginning of August ever, and that says a lot. You know, early August is typically our hottest time of the year. When you've got the hottest ever in 150 years of records, you know that it's miserable. So miserable, in fact, that the heat advisory continues for a big chunk of the state. About 3/4 of Texas under some kind of heat advisory or excessive heat warning right now. This has been extended now through Sunday evening in our area, meaning that, you know, heat stroke, heat cramps, heat exhaustion are all likely with prolonged exposure and physical activity in this type of hot weather. 107, in case you missed it at the top of the broadcast, our high temperature today. It's a new record. We beat the old one there. You see it at the bottom of the screen, 105 in 1951 by 2 degrees in the city. At ABIA, 105 this afternoon is also a record. We now stand in sole possession of spot number 4 on the all-time list of most 100-degree days. We'll be there for a while. Don't move into number 3 until we hit 66 days. Let's hope we don't. But I'll tell you what, based on what we are seeing now, out the next 2 to 3 weeks, it is very likely that we will get up there into the 60s, maybe 70 days or above. This may become the hottest summer ever in terms of 100-degree days. Now, in terms of days in a row, this is going to happen this weekend. We're going to break this record on Sunday with 22 days. Right now, we're at 19 in a row. Out there right now, a few little puffy cumulus clouds out over the hill country. None of those even over Austin's sky right now. This is our live exclusive hill country camera there on our KVVL broadcast tower out there in Llano County. Is where you're looking. Looks pretty beautiful otherwise. 106 is where we are right now in Austin. At 8 o'clock tonight, we are still at 100 degrees. At 10 o'clock tonight, we're still at 95 degrees. Around the area currently, it's 104 in Georgetown. It's 104 over in LaGrange, Lake Travis area, Burnett area, Lampasas area, all at 104. Llano still coming in at 106. How hot does it feel? Well, not a lot hotter. The humidity level is a little lower today, so the heat index number, we've been as hot as 111 this week, heat index. Today it's 108 here in the city. Around the state, it's hotter to the north. Dallas at 107, Waco's at 107. In Dallas, it feels like 112 degrees right now. Fort Smith, Arkansas, yesterday, 115, not the heat index. The temperature was 115 degrees, the hottest temperature they've ever seen there. Around the state, well, you can just see everything is everywhere else, precipitation-wise. It's surrounding us right now because of this bubble, this dome of high pressure that's sitting on us. Now, the dome of high pressure will shift a little bit to the west next week, but will still be such an influence on our weather that our temperatures are likely only going to come down 3, 4, 5 degrees at most, and still no rain. 106 at Camp Mabry right now and mostly clear. It's 104 at the airport with the mostly clear sky and a wind that is southerly at only 6 miles per hour in town. At the airport, a southwest wind at 10. Sunset tonight at 8:22. Had a medium mole count today at 688. That's better than yesterday. There's my good news for the day for you. On the tropical satellite, Emily has dissipated over Hispaniola. Hurricane Center issuing their last advisory early this afternoon. So what was thought to potentially be a tropical storm, maybe hurricane threat for the southeast U.S., no longer, at least not right now. In the Pacific, Hurricane Eugene. This was such an impressive storm yesterday. I thought I'd show it to you again. It's weaker today. Category 2, 110 miles per hour. But like most of these Pacific hurricanes that form off the west coast of Mexico do, moving west, colder water, it'll dissipate in a couple of days. All right, here's our forecast. Overnight tonight, again, just like it has been, mid and upper 70s. Here are our high temperatures tomorrow. 100 to 106. I think we'll even probably get 107 again tomorrow here in the city. Tonight, clear, 79 in Austin for the low in the morning, and then let's go 107 tomorrow afternoon with a mostly clear and sunny sky. We will break a record tomorrow. We will break another record, we believe, on Saturday. These are the records there in yellow, and these are our actual forecast temperatures there in white. And as you can see, we're forecasting at least 105 through Sunday, and then we come down just a couple of degrees next week.